We begin again on Wall Street. After yesterday's plunge, everyone was waiting to see whether stock prices would fall further today. They did, or rally back. They did that too. It was not a day for the faint of heart as the Dow rose, fell, and rose again before closing with a gain of 429 points, or about 4%, the best performance in nearly 2.5 years. We have reports from Rebecca Jarvis at the New York Stock Exchange and Dean Reynolds in Chicago. First, Rebecca.
And Anthony, like you said, this was the best performance for stocks since March of 2009, spurred by the Federal Reserve's pledge to keep interest rates near these emergency levels, 0% for at least 2 more years. Standard & Poor's had its say. The president had his.
Markets will rise and fall.
Today, Wall Street was waiting to hear from America's bank, the Federal Reserve.
There's no panic here. People are just doing what they have to do, and I think they're giving it a lot of thought before they do it.
In a statement, the Fed promised to keep interest rates low through at least 2013. The market reacted wildly, dropping more than 200 points as the Fed warned downside risks to the economic outlook have increased. But then the market rallied off the lows by more than 600 points.
I would characterise markets as being hugely volatile. The bulls and the bears are in a battle, not quite to the death, but they are in quite a substantial battle.
The most watched comeback today was staged by the country's largest lender, Bank of America. It gained 16.7% a day after a 20% plunge. Some investors wonder if B of A is still overburdened by bad mortgages and in need of government help.
The U.S. economy is not going to work with Bank of America struggling with capital. Right? That has a negative impact on the overall economic situation.
It's also made small investors edgy.
The nearer you get to retirement, or you're in retirement, the more nervous you get when this sort of thing happens.
Peter Kettle, a financial advisor for Edward Jones, has been trying to calm worried clients.
I feel that, we are going through one of those crisis points in our system, which would be nice if we could avoid. But at the end of the day, I believe that we will come out of this stronger, and my investors will come out ahead.
And Anthony, while very little here is guaranteed, traders say you can bet on one thing, and that is that the volatility will continue.
Rebecca Jarvis on Wall Street. Thanks, Rebecca.